In this video, I'm going to show you step by step how to create an automatic habit tracker in Notion that resets every day with just one click. This setup is perfect if you want to track daily habits like exercise, deep work, reading, or drinking water without manually recreating your list every single day. By the end of this video, you'll have a simple but powerful system that saves time and keeps you consistent. If you find this helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more Notion and productivity tutorials. All right, let's jump right in. First, open Notion and create a new page. At the very top, add a title for your page. This helps keep your workspace organized and makes it easy to find later. Name the page Automatic Habit Tracker. You can customize the icon or cover later if you want, but for now, just focus on getting the structure right. Once your title is set, click just below the heading so you can start adding content to the page. This is where the automation magic begins. Type /button on your keyboard to bring up the block menu, then click on Button. Notion's button feature allows us to automate actions, which is what makes this habit tracker reset automatically. After adding the button, rename it to New Day. This button will be clicked every morning to generate a fresh list of habits. Click on the button icon and choose an icon you like. For example, you can type sun and select a sun icon to represent a new day. You can also pick a color that feels motivating to you. Next, click on Do inside the button settings. From the menu, select Insert Blocks. This tells Notion what content should be created every time the button is clicked. Now, inside this section, type out your everyday habits. For example, you can add exercise, deep work, reading, and drink 2 liters water. These can be simple text blocks, checkboxes, or toggles, depending on your preference, but checkboxes work best for most people. Once you've added all your habits, click Done to save the button configuration. Now your automatic habit tracker is ready to use. Go ahead and click the New Day button. You'll see all your habits instantly appear below, ready to be checked off. As you go through your day, simply click on Exercise when you've finished working out. Click on Deep Work after completing your focused work session. Click on Reading once you've done your reading, and click on Drink 2 liters water when you've hit your hydration goal. This keeps everything clean, simple, and satisfying. The real power of this system shows up the next day. When a new day starts, just click the New Day button again. Your habit list will instantly show up again fresh and unchecked without you needing to recreate anything manually. This makes it incredibly easy to stay consistent and removes friction from your daily routine. And that's it. You've successfully created an automatic habit tracker in Notion that resets every day with a single click. If this tutorial helped you, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more Notion tips, workflows, and productivity systems. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.